Get ready with me for a blizzard night at Delta Chi. So here's how I think the fit's gonna go. So we have these blue pants that kind of look like snow pants. And then one of these bikini tops. Little puffer jacket on it. And then a beanie of some equation. Maybe braids coming out of the beanie. I don't really know. I'm supposed to leave in like 20 minutes, so let's do it. Okay, so here's the pants. I think they're really cute, and I'm gonna do like tall socks and little boot things with them, like snow boot kind of. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm liking the black. I liked the white too, but the jacket's white. So that's why I'm thinking we need some like variation going on. Also, I don't have a voice. I lost it last weekend, so that's really fun. Okay. Like that. I think I like it. Okay, I did this, and I kind of like, I think I kind of like that. I think it's cute. I was gonna braid it, but I think it looks good like that. And I'm trying to like, is that cute? Or I can do like these, or the, I think I'm gonna do these ones. Okay, we gotta get color happening on our lips. I'm sorry, I literally have no personality right now. I don't have a voice, and I'm rushing. Okay, I think that's a good look. It's the Makeup by Mario. I love it, and it like kind of plumps just like a little bit. It's kind of nice. We have the earrings. I think this is the final look. I put my boots on. These can make it through anything. And then we have our little jacket, which matches a hat. So I think that's cute. Alright. Wish me luck in this blizzard, y'all.